Hi guys, it's Damien for another session. The last video showed that I was able to make client number one to communicate to client number two. Um, so here I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I mean, I'll just try to improve some stuff if I can, and basically, oh, also, one of my friends, actually my mentor, uh, told me something about the shop method right here. So because this is actually removing the last character of the string, which is in that case like the end of the string, right? Like the backslash n character. But if, for example, there is no end of line, let's say, so backslash n like this one, if there is no that, the last character of the string will be removed. So let's say that if we do something like the shop, the e right here will be removed. And there is a method which is more like efficient for what we want to do, which is actually remove those sort of character like end of line and end of, I don't know what the name is in English, but I'm gonna show you. I think, yeah, I think I already find it. No, it's actually that. Is it? Shop? No, it's not here. Yes, it is. No, it's not. No, it's actually not on the IO class. It's actually on a string. On the string class. So here, like as I was telling you, the shop return a new string with the last character removed, right? And the shump return a new string with the given record separator removed from the end of the string if present. So let's say that we have no separator, it just return that. If we have the separator, it removes the separator. So this is what we actually want to do. So I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna, nothing should change here. I mean, just basically doing the same thing. I mean, in that case. Uh, so yeah, so it's still working. Yeah, actually, it's not here client number one, it's actually client number two. So I'm gonna change it here also. And yeah, should be working as before. Alright. So now I'm trying to, I mean, I have this sort of comment right here. Let's keep it that way, and we'll probably remove it later. What I want to do, I'm actually don't want to say like I want to communicate with, I don't want to use a string to communicate with client number two, right? I want to say, I want to send a message to like um, client number two, basically, just saying that. So I'm not even going to say to the server that I'm connected. I just basically want to do something like client number one send message to okay, send message to like client number, oh my god, client number two send this message actually. So I want to do something like this pretty much. And so yeah, something like this would be better that way. So this is what I want to do. So, and to do that, I think I have to, like, in I don't know which video it was, but I wanted to make an ID. And I know there is a file descriptor, you can use it as an ID, but I don't know how to, like, how to get it from. Let's figure it out. Let's try to find out. Sorry, as you can hear, I'm a bit tired. It's actually almost 10 in the 10 in the, like, night. I mean, not in the morning, but yeah, it's actually 10 at night, 10 p.m. almost. So let's try to, like, find out a way to get the file descriptor. I don't know if it's here directly on the socket or if it's somewhere else. File get address info, I don't know what that does. Get the host name, get if, okay, get name info, get server by name, get server by port. Okay, I just want to have the, like, the FD, the file descriptor, which is, it looks like it is an ID. I can use it as an ID, but I actually don't know. You know what? Let's have a look on the IO class. Maybe we will have it here. I have the 4FG here, but I don't know if I can just give me the F data thing. Just give me the the FG, sorry, and that's who I want to communicate to. So let's see that. Oh, okay, so that's a synonym for IMU. It's not what I want to do. Immediately right. This is definitely what I want to do. It's definitely not what I want to do. Let's actually, like, make an ID for the. You know what? Actually, I'm not gonna even do that, because here we don't actually put a client, an instance of the client class. We actually put the socket into the list of clients. So here it's actually not a list of clients, it's actually a list of sockets. So let's try to do that first. And yeah, so okay, let's try to do that. So let's remove that code, and here, so here we receive a socket. Actually, I don't really, okay, so here we receive a socket, so I should be able to do something like this, and I should be able to instantiate, I don't know if in Ruby we can have, like, sort of different, I guess we can, but I don't know if it's called initialize. So can I do that? And I want to instantiate directly with a socket, basically. Socket, not soccer. And what I want to do is, okay, so I'm gonna pass. Okay, so I should be able to, like, I'm not even sure I need to have that anymore, but let's try that. Okay, so I'm gonna do this socket, and I guess from the socket we can actually get the host name and the port, I guess. Maybe I should put it here, I don't know. Yeah, because if I want to initiate, if I want to do a new socket, TCP socket. Can I actually do that? New. Where is it? New, okay. So I can do that. I don't want to do it that way. Alright, let's see that. No, it's actually the same. Yeah, it's the same thing. TCP socket, I have to do localhost, so the host and port. If I want to do something like, what is a new method? Alright, oh, okay, we can do it here. So I guess I'm actually going to do, so let's try this. And I want to do client. It's actually, yeah, client, new socket. Can I actually do that? And I will have that. I don't know why I keep writing the E before the I. And after that, I want to do basically that. And that will add a list of, this will actually add the client in the list right here, and we will have a list of client rather than a list of sockets, right? So here, okay, read message from the client. I guess we'll have to put TCP socket here, TCP socket here, and do the same right here, and do the same right. No, it's actually good. It's the same here, I guess, and inspect. Yeah, we'll do the same right here as well. Same also here, and the same also here. And I think, okay, so I have the client. Actually, if I want to read from the client, I just pass the client, and then I will do that here. So I just, yeah, I don't have to like do that here anymore. And I guess for the send message it will be the same. So if I want to send a message, I'll do, no, actually I actually did it already. So it will be here, and it should be working as before, but you know, let's try it. Alright, so there is a problem here. On line 11 on the client, on line 11 on the client. So initialize, I've got that. What is saying? Wrong number of argument. I actually don't know how to write another constructor for a Ruby class. So mainly constructor for Ruby class. Let's see that. Can I do that? Okay, that's jvar. Initialize as written as well, just this. We'll do initialize, will take argument. The answer is yes and no. You can actually achieve the same result as You can in other language using a variety of mechanisms, including default variable, argument list, defining your argument as an hash. The actual syntax of the language does not allow you to define the method twice. That's what I was thinking. So as an array name, blah blah blah. What's that? Self new, return self. I tend to do this. Looks like sort of a factory thing, factory pattern, but well, we will actually. That's actually a good question. Yeah, so let's. I don't know if I can actually. Because I don't want to do create another like client and pathing. I can do that. I don't actually want to create another socket here. I just want to have to pass it to pass the existing socket to and yeah to the client while instantiating the client at the same time. Okay. What should I do here? So we can't do that. Should I new? What's the best solution? Maybe I'm worrying too much about that. What we can do here, I mean, we can probably do something like hostname, but it will create another instance with, I don't want to create another instance because the instance is already there. Well, let's try it, but I don't think it's a good solution to do that. But let's try it. I mean, it's not like this code is gonna run into production, right? So I guess I can do something like that. Let's see. Alright, the server is still running. Okay, connection reset. What do you mean? Server 15. Initialize constant server client. What do you mean? Uninitialized. What do you mean initialized? Let's do that. But here we go. I mean, I should be able to call that, right? Inspect. I mean, I did it before, but oh, okay, socket. I guess from the socket I can call method to get. Can I get the host name or something? Get server by port. What does it do? Oh, no, it's not what I want to do. I mean, here I'm on bind, accept, new, what is that? Alright, and in the IO class, alright, so let's get by name. So I will have that. I have to actually post host name. And if I do that, for example, let's try it. Let's try that to see. And define. Where's it? TCP socket, TCP socket. Yeah, I should go to sleep, but I don't want to now. I mean, even though I'm tired, but okay. This method lookup for information by host name. This method use already. Okay. Blah blah blah. Use address info. So get address info name. So I got to figure out a way to create. Let's see that maybe there is a way to do that. Multiple constructor. Let's see. Okay. Initialize. Blah blah blah. Alright. What's it's in here? Initialize. Blah blah blah. Alright. Thank you for that. Initialize list of parameters and okay. So find the construction initialize k condition while so how can I do that? I guess I can do something like new client from active phone socket, like I guess I can do that. I guess I'm not sure. And this will actually return. Okay, so I'm gonna have a socket and I'm gonna have a client, so I'm gonna do self. Oh, but I can't actually. Oh my god. All right. Mm, I want you to have. Hmm. So what I wanted to do at first was client sent message, message and client, basically something like that. Mm-hmm. So maybe send message to who this client can pass here. I can send. Yeah, would be the same basically. Hmm. Well. Okay. If I want to do that, put that here. Send message to who? Even though I try to do my thing here. Mm, what should I do with that variable? Client sent message. TCP socket. Maybe he want to. Maybe I should have another socket. Socket to talk to. But even though I save the socket in there, like I do something, socket to talk to, something like that, to talk to. I mean, it's quite long, but even though I do something like that, I'll have to have an instance of a client here, and then check on that. My God, all right. How can I do that? You want to talk to client number 2. What is there any? What's here? Get address. All right. Bind. All right. here what we have. What do we have? Oh, send message. Send message. Really? Sends message via basic socket. Message should be a string. Blah blah blah. I mean, yeah, so flag send message, send a message using send message to system calling in a blocking manner. Message is a string to be sent. The return value numByte sent is an integer, which is a number of bytes sent. Send message can be used to implement send iOS photo. Well, that's quite, that's quite control. What's a control thing? Control is a list of ancillary data. The element of control should be that, alright. I don't know what that means. Sock, send message, blah blah blah. Message 0 nil. Destination. Well, it can be something to look at. This is a destination socket address for connectionless socket. It should be a socket address such as a result of socket and an addressing object. Right. Let's don't really care about that already. So how can I do that? I would love to instantiate a client here. Or to get a client from a socket. Let's get new client run socket, and what this should do. We have the socket here, and we should be able to do something. Client new, and we should be able to do something like that. Socket my host name, and my host name and ports, and socket and port. It's basically what I was trying to do here, but it looks like I can't do that. And you will obviously create another socket here. Yeah, let's just try find a way to So it should be, I should be able to like, I think itself, I think it should be something like that, and here it should be something like, okay, new client from, or maybe with, I think with is better. With 04. I think they used to do that. I mean, that's how the right thing in like in the Rails framework, I think, or maybe not in the Rails framework, but in a simple form gem for making basically form in a Rails application, I think. So okay, now I gotta figure out a way to get that socket hostname, and so obviously we'll throw an error like last time. Yes. Oh, what's that? 15 on the server. 15 on the server. Where is that? Okay, so you can go away. This should not be working. And the send message. Alright. Sorry for that. And alright, I mean, right. So here we should be able to, okay, you throw an error. Read message, blah blah blah. Alright. This is because, okay. So on the 16 here, I mean, I don't even, do I need to like call new? Because it looks like it's obvious, right? You basically, it's a class method. It's not an instance method. So when you do that, it's quite implicit. I mean, when I look at it, I know that this will return a client, an instance of a client from this class. So I don't even have to do a new thing. It's just client 4, and it's even shorter and better to read and understand too. So now my problem is that how can I get the host name from a socket? How can I get the host name from a socket? Good question, Damon. How can you do that? Get by name, get host by name. But I basically just wanna, what's that? The IO. Maybe not Hubert. So there's probably a way to have that. I mean, what's address info returns? So socket. Oh, I have to pass argument. Socket type. Blah blah blah. Do we have support here? Get host name by address. Get host find name, get hostname. Oh, I think I've got it. Socket get hostname, return the hostname. So maybe I should met. So class, should I pass? No, I mean, so weird because there is no argument. Should I do something like that? Can I? You know what? Let's actually print that first. So put okay, socket blah blah blah, and we'll do something. Alright, I don't know why I keep writing soccer. Maybe I should do it here. Alright, maybe I should do that here. Let's keep that way. And define for that TCP socket FD. And if I do, it's obviously that, but I don't actually know how. Yeah, but this is not what I want. I want something get if address, get hostname, get name info, get server, pack software, sock address in, sock address and TCP. Okay, that is quite a lot of things. Socket in. Socket in, blah blah blah. Server, and this will return alright, nothing here. I guess I can do that, but I can do it myself, but it's not really what I wanted. So let's like host name. Okay, because I'm not gonna write it every time. It's not really what I want to, because it's hard coded. I wanted to get those, but at one point I will have to find a way to get them. All right, port Alright, now I'm gonna do host name, I wanna do port, and I wanna do the same here, and the same here, and that's it. Yeah, so now if I do that, should be working, I think. And we create another instance, but client, because I already have the socket, right? So I don't want to be create a client and then it will call that and it will create another socket with that client. I mean, I don't really like it. Don't like that, but it's only the only way I found so far. Alright, actually it's actually too long. So I'm gonna do this here. Alright, and now I have my client and I do that. So let's see what's gonna happen here. Undefined, uninitialized server. Should I require a client? Should I do that? Do I need to? That's why you're yelling at me. Oops. What's going on? Okay. Okay. Cannot load such file. I mean, should I do that? It's actually that. I don't remember. I think it's that. Nope. Oh. Connection client. Okay. Port. What do you mean? Initialize connection and man. I don't know what to do here. I don't have to do that actually, I think, but write itself, client 4 should be returning that. Client new, blah blah blah. And I actually don't use a socket here. Well, that's weird, but I mean, I don't know why it's not working. Okay, sorry. So you got initialized constant client, and when I call it doesn't work. So alright, so do I need to do a require stuff here? Even when I do it, I do that. I'm not familiar with Ruby at all, even though I did a project using Ruby on Rails, but Ruby on Rails is sort of easy to get going, so you don't really have to know the language like by heart to do a Ruby on Rails application. So that's why I'm struggling with the Ruby language, but now I'm trying to learn it. So I can't load such file, and why? Should I do that? No, it's not. Should I do that maybe? It's not either. That is not working, I think. Oh. And now it's saying 11. Oh my god. So that's mean here there is a problem. But which one? I mean, so I require that. I require it here. Trying to make a call here. And it's so weird, man. Because I pass everything. Host name, localhost, port. Let's see if I do something like that. I mean, I'm just trying stuff. No, it's not. Connection refused. I don't know. Let's skip it. Let's do that. Let's tag. Here we go there. Give that okay. I did here and here. So let's, I mean, yeah, let's keep it that way. Connection refused, okay. Alright, so this is interesting, and this I think I will need help with that, I think. Socket and socket, like find a way to have socket host name and find a way to have socket port. And yeah, I'm gonna do that like that. So let's see how to get a host name from socket. TCP socket Ruby I think I have that before. Like, should I pass an argument? Note that is not guaranteed to be able to convert to IP address using get hostname, blah blah blah. You need look. I mean, let's see. So what? Yeah, hostname. So let's try it. Let's do that to see what's going to happen. Yeah. Let's try that. Yeah, I don't really need that anymore. Like, oh, I actually need it. Eight connection. I mean, maybe I should do that somewhere else. Here, okay, let's keep it here. Let's don't call that, and let's do something like socket. I think P should be working. Let's oh, I don't even call it, man. Leave me alone, bro. Come on. Alright. Get us name. Wrong number of argument. Alright. Alright. Ruby communication. Let's see that. I'm tired. And I'm about to sleep soon. Getting hostname, hyping Ruby on Rails. Connect. Blah blah blah. Do not reverse lookup. Yeah, but that is definitely some stuff that I don't really understand for now. Socket hostname. I don't know, man. Because I should be able to. I should be able to look and to be able to do that, I think. I don't know if I tried it actually. Okay. Connection views. Connection with views for the catalysts. What does it mean? Open, blah blah blah. Oh, looks like, I mean, card print, sharp, next line readable on this socket, blah blah blah. Accept, get pure name and back. Oh my god. Sock address, what's that? I've seen something which interesting here. Basic, circuit, okay. Where was I? I've seen was it here? Maybe here. Not really. Not here. Advise, blah blah blah. Alright. Basic socket. Shut down. Alright. What's here? This is the IO class. Oh my goodness. Gotta be a way, like synergy this. Put something, I mean, no, this is not what I want you to do. Socket prime, something like that. Connection refused. Alright. Oh. That's what I want you to do, man. This can go away, this can go away. I want to do that. B socket. I think it was something like that. It's definitely not. I mean, it's probably because I do that and it calls that class here. Yeah, we'll have to make I got report. Post, maybe, if I'm lucky. Definitely not. Mm, Alright, so I'll have to do something like that. Let's keep it that way for the moment. And we'll see tomorrow how it goes. We'll try to find out. So let's keep it that way. And should I commit on another branch? Git status. No, actually, git branch. Git b. No, git checkout b. How should I call that? Client messaging exposure improvement. I mean, I don't know what I'm trying to do here. It's basically improvement for sure, but what I'm trying to do, how can I call that branch? I'm not going to call it cleaner code because it's too generic. Let's call it direct message because this is what I want to do. Direct message. Because basically what I want to do is something like here and do that. So it's sort of a direct message. Let's call it client direct message. Let's remove that. Oh. Let's remove that client. It's like a client DM if I was in Instagram. Yeah, so let's commit that way. No, actually, git status, git add client. Oh, what do you mean? Alright, git add that, git server, and git commits. My mentor is not going to like it, but I mean, I should do something like that. And I'm not gonna say tries things out. I'm going to say basically trying to try to get client from socket. Yeah, let's call it that way. Try to get client to instantiate client with a socket. All right. And if I do push, I mean, I'm not gonna, I mean, I can push it, but let's see if I do push here. Okay, so I will have to do that. Let's try, I mean, the first time I did it. Oh, does not match. What? Blah, 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 does not. Okay, that's for sure. Oh, it's pushing. Is it? Where is my GitHub? So I think I should be here. And okay, so now I got the branch here. If I do that, yeah. Okay, so I've got it. So yeah, so I'm gonna stop the video right here. So now I think I'm gonna push every branch. I mean, because usually I don't, I was just saving the thing on my computer, the code on my computer without committing and without pushing it. But now, when I will be on the branch, I will push it on GitHub. So my mentor could look at the code and I mean, maybe some other people on the internet can look at it. All right, thank you guys. Thank you guys. I'm going to sleep right now. So bye bye. See you tomorrow.